Whether you've just purchased a new computer or have been using one for a while, there are several essential Windows settings you should adjust immediately. These tweaks can improve privacy, security, and performance, and even make your daily tasks more convenient. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Enable System Restore. System Restore is a crucial feature that lets you revert your computer to a previous state in case something goes wrong. Often, this feature is disabled by default, so here's how to turn it on. Search for Create a Restore Point. If the protection is off, select your drive and click Configure. Turn on System Protection and allocate space for restore points. Create a new restore point to save your current system state. Tip number 2. Display file extensions and hidden files. Displaying file extensions can help you avoid malicious files that might disguise themselves with double extensions. Here's how to enable this. Go to File Explorer Options and select the View tab. And check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. Apply the changes to see file extensions and hidden files on your system. Tip number 3. Manage startup programs. Over time, programs can accumulate in your startup, slowing down your computer. Disable unnecessary startup items to speed up your boot time. In Windows 10, in search bar, type Task and double-click on Task Manager, and then click on Startup. Disable any unnecessary programs from launching at startup by right-clicking and selecting Disable. Tip number 4. Review and adjust privacy settings. Windows comes with several privacy settings enabled by default that you might want to reconsider. To customize these settings, go to Settings and then Privacy and Security. Review and turn off any settings that you're uncomfortable with, such as advertising ID, location tracking, and app permissions. Tip number 5. Adjust User Account Control (UA) settings. User account control settings determine how often you're notified when programs attempt to make changes to your system. Adjust these settings based on your comfort level and experience. Search for UA and select Change User Account Control Settings. Adjust the slider according to your preference, from Always Notify to Never Notify, depending on your expertise. Tip number 6. Disable Fast Startup. Windows Fast Startup can prevent your computer from fully shutting down, storing some processes in cache instead. Disabling this feature ensures a complete shutdown and a fresh start when you reboot. Search for Control Panel and choose Hardware and Sound, and choose a power option. Click on Choose what the power buttons do. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and save your changes. Tip number 7. Disable automatic restarts after updates. To prevent your computer from automatically restarting after a Windows update, which could cause you to lose unsaved work, you should disable this feature. Type Update in the search bar and select Check for Updates. Click Advanced Options. Uncheck Restart this device as soon as possible when a restart is required to install an update to stop Windows from restarting immediately after an update. That's it. These key adjustments can enhance your Windows experience by improving smoothness, security, and personalization. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more teach and tips.